Is that good? Ice cream. Mmm. Ice cream. Who praised the Lord today? Yeah, did Mary Kaylin. Tristan did. Don't make a mess. Eat it, Buff. Tristan. Tristan. Get Sissy bite?
Bite?
Mmm. Oh, he's giving you.
Thank you.
Oh, just pretend.
No more.
Oh, that's so sweet. Good boy. That's a sweet boy. Is that good? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.